So this is probably something that I would actually use a bit. And this is a advanced smart mini keyboard with a remote. Now, I don't know necessarily what products this works with. Company sent it to me. Do I know a whole lot about it? No, but this is an unboxing video, right? So as we can see from the specs, 2.4 gigahertz, Bluetooth, smart infrared learning, multi-touch, voice search, lithium-ion battery. It has function shortcut keys. It's a back LED, so that's nice. Single hand use, mini keyboard. So it looks kind of cool, right? It supports. So you can use it for. You can even use it for like Windows and stuff, right? So Windows 2000, XP, Vista, Windows CE, Windows 7, Android, Linux. Oh, it even says Mac. Oh, I'll try that upstairs just to see what's going on. Now, the other thing that's nice about these is, and this is probably a big one for a lot of people, is it can work with your TV, work with your computer, set-top box. So if you have like an Android TV box or something like that, projectors, HTPC. And again, on the back here, you guys can see more information if you want to just kind of look at it. It does have features, 18 exclusive buttons for infrared learning, miniature portable to carry. This would actually kind of be cool too. Let's say if you were doing PowerPoint presentations or keynote presentations, and you want to be away from your computer, you could just have this in your hand. That actually would be useful. Multiple gesture recognition and scroll bars, wireless RF with USB receiver. That I like. Plug and play, a QWERTY full keyboard, multiple language versions, needs to be customized. It says backlit for convenience and powered by lithium-ion battery, long standby. Now, it does have here, this is your left click. These would be your triggers, I guess. Type C charging, infrared, and power on off. My guess is, this is my guess, is that it's like a remote, right? Now, because it's like a keyboard remote, you know, my guess would be that it should give you a couple days, right? A month, maybe. I don't 100% know. And I'm trying to get this out of the box without destroying it. There we go. Okay, so trying to be nicer with the boxes. This is it. Yes. Okay, so inside the box we do get a USB-C to USB-A, USB-A to USB-C, I guess, right? We get the controller and the world's smallest user manual. My goodness, right? Okay, that's all right. That's tiny. Okay, but this is really what we're concerned with. So it does have a battery in the back. This is your dongle. So I don't know how much of a charge this has in it, but whatever. This, of course, just slides on here. No, yes. Just I gotta do it the right way. Come on now, you can be nice, can't you? There we go. There we go. Perfect. I love that it has a little tiny trackpad. You know what? That would be awesome for doing presentations. You could walk around with this in your hand, for sure, and be like just moving around, and you could probably customize these enough too that you could use these little. Not a horrible click, you know. That's not bad. There's good clicks, buttons. Yeah, they got good clicks on the buttons. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of this, of course, but I am wondering if, I think, what did it say? One of these was power button, right? One of these, like, there it goes, right? Boom, on it comes, and it's flashing. So I'm wondering, I'm going to go upstairs, and I'm going to hook this in to my computer and see how this works, because, there's a USB. Where's the USB charger? Right there. Okay. Yeah, see, you got the little RF comes on when you click the button. It does go to sleep actually fairly quickly, so that's actually kind of nice too, right? So as long as you're clicking the buttons, it turns back on. You even got like a microphone button. I'm guessing this is power for whatever you're connected to. But all the keys and stuff like that, you know, they got a nice rubbery feel, which is kind of nice. It feels like an old gamepad, just really thin, right? It's really thin. Well, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's this could be really convenient. I wonder if this would work depending on your set-top box, right? It could be really useful because who likes using the remote with a keyboard? That sucks, right? So this could be useful. All right, let's go find out. Okay, so I have connected the wireless USB stick to my Mac because I figured if it'll work on the Mac, which is probably the hardest one, it should work on just about anything. So that's what I'm trying here. So I have it screen recording up here, and you can see even the trackpad. Look, the trackpad works. Now, you may want to go in and play with the settings because you have to really scroll around with it to get the arrow to move around. But that works fine. Again, if you're doing, like, let's say a keynote presentation, I think that would work really great. I'm actually just going to bring a screen over here, and I do think you and I will have to play a little bit with, maybe it's like double tap. Can I click? Yeah, double tap. I can click and hold just like a mouse, right? If I wanted to click on this, I just tap. Yep. So tap and everything works there. If I want to go up here and click keyboard, yeah, it works. You know what? What more are you going to ask for? Keys are a little small, and because it's not necessarily, it is set up as a QWERTY keyboard, but again, because it's not a keyboard like a full-size keyboard, my guess is, you'd have to click and kind of learn. But YouTube, click, boom, I'm doing it all from this keyboard, right? Like it's good. I can move down here with the mouse, and I can be like, yeah, let's go look at one of my videos down here. So just click and tap. Very cool, right? Very nice. This is on my other channel right here. Tap there. Trackpad probably actually one of the coolest kind of features of it, to be honest with you. Just having that ability to kind of go back and forth. Now you do have the triggers. I wonder if the triggers will do back. Oh, the triggers seem to be, well, there's a couple of different features. This actually uses like a right mouse button, and this is like a left mouse button. So I'm wondering if you came up here and just, if you wanted to, instead of, yeah, you could just tap on it with the trigger if you wanted to. And then, you know what, it does have all this kind of stuff you can do. It looks like a Bluetooth connection. It does have a button that says TV. So I'm guessing maybe you have to set it up a little differently for a TV. But yeah, I'm down. You know what? I don't think these are very expensive. Again, I will leave a link down below to this because I do think it's pretty cool. And yeah, I can see myself having some actual use for this. So, all right, guys, that's it. Now, the only thing I don't think you'll be able to plug this into, and I'd have to see, because it does have a Bluetooth connection. You may be able to plug it into an Apple TV, but I'm not 100% sure. If any of you guys have the opportunity to try something like this on an Apple TV, please let me know if it works. And that's all. I like it. It's good. All right, guys, I will put links down below, and you guys can get some more information in regards to it. And we'll see you guys next video. Later.